Have you ever wondered what the planets of our solar system sound like? Well, get ready to embark on an interstellar journey as we explore the eerie and fascinating sounds of every planet, captured and converted by NASA and other space agencies. Buckle up, because what you're about to hear will change the way you think about our cosmic neighbors. Ever wondered what the Big Bang sounded like? Scientists have reconstructed this ancient sound using ripples in the cosmic microwave background, CMB, the faint glow left over from the birth of the universe. Fun fact. This radiation is 13.8 billion years old and is one of the oldest signals in existence. Now, many of you might be wondering, how can we hear the sound of the Big Bang? Stay with me as I explain. A long time ago, the universe was a dense, hot place filled with energy and particles. Unlike today's empty vacuum, it was more like a thick cosmic soup where sound waves could travel. As the universe expanded, these waves spread out, creating tiny ripples in the CMB. Scientists later detected these ripples and converted them into sound, allowing us to hear the ancient echoes of creation. So no, space isn't silent. The universe has been making noise since the very beginning. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is a world of extremes. While it lacks a significant atmosphere, solar winds interact with its weak magnetic field, creating faint electromagnetic waves. Fun fact, despite being the closest to the Sun, Mercury isn't the hottest planet in our solar system. That title belongs to Venus. Welcome to Venus, a planet where the atmosphere is so thick that sound travels differently. When radio signals are converted into sound, Venus emits a deep, thunderous roar. Fun fact, Venus has a surface temperature hot enough to melt lead, making it one of the most extreme environments in the solar system. Our home planet produces an incredible range of sounds, from ocean waves and thunderstorms to the eerie hum of our magnetosphere. When solar winds interact with Earth's magnetic field, they create beautiful yet haunting melodies. Fun fact, Earth's magnetosphere protects us from deadly solar radiation and is responsible for the stunning auroras we see at the poles. Mars may be a cold, desolate desert, but it is not silent. NASA's Perseverance rover recorded the Martian winds, low, ghostly howls that echo across the red landscape. Fun fact, due to the thin Martian atmosphere, sound travels slower and is much quieter than on Earth. Jupiter's powerful magnetosphere produces intense electromagnetic waves, creating eerie whooshing and crackling sounds. It's like a giant cosmic storm in action. Fun fact, Jupiter's magnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, making it the most powerful in the solar system. Saturn's iconic rings aren't just stunning to look at. They also generate mesmerizing sounds. When captured, these sounds reveal the movement of icy particles colliding and interacting in space. Fun fact, Saturn's rings are made of countless ice and rock particles, some as tiny as grains of sand and others as big as mountains. Uranus, the sideways planet, produces a deep, pulsing hum as its magnetic field interacts with the solar wind. The sound is strangely calming yet otherworldly. Fun fact, Uranus rotates on its side, making it unique among all the planets in our solar system. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, emits strange, rhythmic pulses when its magnetic field interacts with charged particles. Its sound is like a deep, distant murmur echoing through space. Fun fact, Neptune's winds are the fastest in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 1,500 miles per hour. Although Pluto is no longer classified as a planet, it still has a voice. Data collected from its thin atmosphere and interactions with solar wind create faint, ghostly echoes. Fun fact, Pluto's heart-shaped glacier, Sputnik Planitia, holds more ice than all of Earth's glaciers combined. Each planet has its own unique voice, telling a different story about its environment and mysteries. Which planetary sound amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments.